51. What do you stand for? A lovely friend took a copy of my book of California farmer columns, Bread Upon the Waters, turned to a friend and asked her to read Love and Hate. The woman did not read too far. I wrote, quote, "If we love that which is good, we will hate that which is evil." She handed me the book back, saying, "I love everyone and hate nothing." Ruth Sandy answered quietly and firmly, "You don't stand for anything, do you?" Wonderfully stated. If you hate nothing, you really love nothing either, and you stand for nothing. Some years ago, a woman I had never met called on me for help. Her story was an ugly one. Her husband beat her frequently. She had a tooth missing from a recent beating, plus an old scar on her face. He was regularly unfaithful, and he was beginning to molest their daughter. I found her story to be true when I checked with a police officer. No action had been taken yet because of insufficient evidence, since a woman and girl would not cooperate. The worst part of that was the woman's insistent remark, "I don't hate him at all. I really love him and just want him to behave." I knew then that nothing could be done. The woman was worse than her husband. He was evil and did evil secretly. She loved evil openly. She resented having her lovely face marked up, but she had no indignation against evil. Almost 8 years later, I had the opportunity to ask someone about that case. The report I received was this: "If anything, it is worse, and she's putting up with everything." To hate evil and to stand up for and fight for righteousness, we must truly love righteousness. Without that, we lack the moral indignation to make a stand. This is the problem of our generation. It talks much about love, but it truly loves nothing. If it did, it would fight for what it loves, and it would hate everything evil which threatens it. But most people today stand for nothing and hate nothing, and as a result, fight for nothing. The worst part of it all is that they then say very proudly, "I have no hate in my heart. I love everybody." God's answer to these people will be very much like Ruth Sandy's. You don't stand for anything, do you?